Hello Internet. Today we're headed to McKinley's Orchard. It's in Oaktown, Indiana. Just a little bitty town. There ain't nothing there, but I think there might be like a general store or liquor store or something, and an orchard. And the orchard has a restaurant right across the street. They're owned by the same place, or owned by the same company. So I've heard some really good things about it. And you know, it's a beautiful day out. Figured, you know, what the heck, I'm hungry. I'll go try somewhere new. I love in the summer living down in this area. Like right here on the left, there's these little farmers markets. I don't know, they're probably like every 4 or 5 miles. And you know, you talk about the freshest produce. And they got these little honey sticks. You chew the end off, and it's pretty good. But you know, just nice people. They got 20, 30 acres, and they grow veggies and sell them. And you know, it's cheaper than any store you're going to go to, usually. And you know, it's fresh. You know, they're wheeling them right up on the wagon while you're standing there. And this is where we're going, isn't it? Yes, and they're closed. Either they're not doing the restaurant anymore or they haven't opened yet. I figured being Memorial Day weekend they'd be open by now. Well, that kind of sucks. I have had lunch there about 2 years ago. And it was really good. You know, they serve you on these pie plates, and you got a mason jar to drink out of. You know, none of the silverware matches. You get a handkerchief for a napkin. You know, just a really cool laid-back place. And they make their own homemade pies there. But I don't know, no need explaining about it if they're not open. But hopefully they're just not open yet. The website said they were, but yeah. You can't believe everything you see on the internet. I can smell it already. Ooh.